Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how November 2020 will be for Virgo or Kanya Rashi natives. Firstly, the planetary positions. They are Venus in the first, Sun and retrograde Mercury in the second, Ketu in the third, Jupiter in the fourth in the starting of the month, and towards the end of the month Jupiter will be in the fifth, Saturn in the fifth, retrograde Mars in the seventh, and Rahu will be in the ninth. So overall, if I have to say, Venus and Ketu will be more positive for you this month, and in the second half of the month Jupiter and Sun will turn positive. Jupiter, Sun and even Mercury for that matter will be positive for you. Okay, so all in all, your Rashi Lord and your second and ninth Lord are in good positions, in favorable positions. So that will be helpful. This month will bring in a lot of positivity and many opportunities may open up. The second half of the month will bring in more wisdom, because Guru or Jupiter will go into the fifth position, which is very, very favorable, and you will be able to use your knowledge and complete your tasks very easily. A little friction with your spouse possible in this month. Health overall will remain stable. Overall, if I have to talk, it's going to be a fruitful month for Kanya Rashi people. Health, if I have to say, eye irritation, headaches, stomach pain, and injury to the thigh region is indicated. There could be boils or cuts on the face. Ketu, Sun and Jupiter will support you recover well in the second half of the month. Career and business now. Working people will push forward with good positive energy. Okay, and those who are expecting some change, there could be a change in position, change in place, or change in a job. They can expect that to happen towards the end of this month. You will get appreciation from your superiors for good work, specifically in the second half of the month. There could be one or two difficult moments with your superiors in the starting of the month, so please pay attention there. Work diligently, work carefully. This will help you to make the best out of this month. For businessmen, they may get lucky in the second half of the month. A long-standing project which was initiated some time ago, that will pick up pace and will progress well. You need to watch your harsh tongue, which can spoil good relationships. That means with your business partner or with your key customers. When you're working, pay close attention specifically to the government job. Otherwise, there could be some humiliation coming your way. New opportunities, new projects will increase in the second half of the month. Overall, it's going to be a good month for you. Coming to students will have a good month. Hard work and patience will definitely yield good results for you. Coming to wealth or gains, it's a gainful month. Speculation may yield good results, specifically if you speculate in the second half of the month. A windfall for some is seen. You could get some sudden money, or some good ornaments or jewelry, that is all seen. You need to keep a watch on your expenses. They may slightly rise without any notice. So overall, a good month for gains. Coming to the family front, you can expect some good support from elders and your children as well. Your spouse may have a little difference of opinion. You need to be very careful in using your words. Don't use any harsh words, and try to stay as calm as possible. This will help in maintaining a cordial atmosphere in the family front. You can expect good food and also expect performing some good religious rituals or participating in some of the rituals. Your spiritual side will awaken, and you may start thinking more towards spirituality. There are some remedies. Please follow these remedies. Continue to recite Hanuman Chalisa every day. Okay, this is for your Saturn's 5th position. You can also recite Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha 108 times every day. Worship Lord Lakshmi Narasimha and Kartikeya to avoid any mishaps. If you want to donate things related to Mars, that is Masoor Dal, fennel seeds, that is saunf, we call them, red clothes, copper utensils, etc. on a Tuesday. If you can recite or listen to Vishnu Sahasranamam every day or at least every Wednesday, it's going to bring you a lot of positivity. So this month is going to be a good month for you. Make the best out of it. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.